Good day, this is Professor Wills, CBMD PhD, and today is Tuesday, December 7th, 2021. It is 12:18 and 57 seconds, a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Today's research, glucose control. So let's hop to it here. Glucose control is a key factor for reduced cancer risk in obesity and type 2 diabetes. Date December 6, 2021. Source, University of Gothenburg. Large durable weight loss, as such, appears to afford protection against cancer, but with good glucose control, the number of cancer cases also drops radically, a new study shows. That obesity is a risk factor for both type 2 diabetes and several types of cancer is a known fact. Similarly, intentional weight loss though, for example, bariatric surgery, often results in amelioration of diabetes, and many patients achieve normal blood glucose control. In patients with obesity, cancer risk too can be reduced after major long-lasting weight loss. However, there have been relatively few studies on the association between weight loss, risk of cancer, and glucose control in patients with both obesity and type 2 diabetes. The researchers studied a group of 393 people with type 2 diabetes who underwent bariatric surgery and compared them with a control group of 308 people with the same clinical characteristics. They had severe obesity and type 2 diabetes, but had not undergone bariatric surgery. In other respects, such as the terms of gender composition, blood glucose, and smoking, the two groups were comparable. In the surgery group, 68 individuals, approximately 17%, developed cancer in parallel with a significant weight loss. The corresponding emerging cancer cases in the control group amounted to 24%, while these individuals retained their condition of severe obesity. The median follow-up period was 21 years. Overall, the risk of getting cancer was 37% lower in the group that underwent obesity surgery. However, the largest difference was observed when cancer risk was analyzed in the patients who achieved normal glucose control and had no relapse of diabetes over a 10-year period. Among these patients, the incidence of cancer was 12 out of 102, 12%, against 75 out of 335, 22%, in the group whose diabetes had reoccurred in the same period. Thus, the results show a 60% reduction in cancer risk in the group where normal glucose control was maintained over 10 years. What we see is among patients with type 2 diabetes, many cancer cases are preventable. These results are an important contribution that enhances our understanding of the connection between glucose control and cancer prevention. The global epidemic of both obesity and diabetes leads to an increased risk of cancer, as well as an increased risk of premature death. It has been estimated that over the next 10 to 15 years, obesity may cause more cancer cases than smoking in severe countries. And this is a clear illustration of how serious the condition is. Strategies are needed to prevent this development, and the research results can provide vital guidance for prevention of cancer in patients with obesity and type 2 diabetes. Good day, this is Professor Wills, CBMD PhD, on microbiology, bioinformatics, and pathophysiology. This video was created for educational purposes only. Hope you enjoyed listening. Until next time, have a great day.